Hello guys, hope your preparation is going fine. This is a special edition of MCQ series, which we usually do like 5 to 10 MCQs and you can check your score. So this was an idea suggested by one of my teammates. So she told that we can do this February 7 to 14 an MCQ series so that students who really see UPSC as their true goal, okay, or we can call it like true Valentine for time being, okay. So we thought like each day, which we have different names, different specialties, we'll do it like a subject wise series. Okay, so February 7, instead of this Rose Day, we'll call it say Spectrum Day. So I'll discuss Spectrum 5 MCQs from our test, so that two things are there. One, you get to see 5 MCQs, and test series, if you want, you can come and get it. If you have already got the test series and you are studying from us, then this will be a revision series for you. So like that, 7 days we'll do 7 into 5, 35 questions, okay, for free. And we'll give you three full tests for free also. That at the end of this video I'll tell how to get 3 free tests. So again, you'll get to see 300 MCQs of high quality free of cost. Then based on that, you can come back to join the test series, because faster you join, the chances of you clearing the prelims will be there, will be more. Okay, so we'll discuss spectrum questions today, 5 questions. The questions are, as I told, taken from my this thing only, test series only, and this is the list of offers going on, which was a Republic Day offer. Now we extended it to full February because many students kept on telling like, I don't want the full package, I want only NCERT plus current affair or revision charts alone or history alone. So taking that into consideration, we have extended this for 1 full month. Okay, so please see to it that you don't miss this golden chance. The entire full test series also is like almost half the price. The students who have enrolled to our batch 1, 2, 3, 4 have paid double the price of this. So please see to it that you get this golden chance. You have 5 months to study, and with that, you, in a scheduled format, you can easily complete all these things, and you will definitely clear the prelims. Okay, because our test series have that history of getting 100 plus marks every year. Okay, you can watch that video also, Vysh versus UPSC. Just search for it on the YouTube. So score you can check, like 5 is excellent, 4 is good, 3 is revise more. So this and all is not to let you down, but just to make a competitive this thing. Okay, so once you do this, at the end of this, at a comment section, you can give the comments also, because more comments you give, only then the next episode of 8th February will be uploaded. Okay, and every day will be a different subject. So see to it that you answer. And the Lakshmikant also, we meant it very seriously that only with 100 comments and 100 likes, we will put the next video. Okay, so please don't think like, okay, somebody will put the comment, anyway it's free, so let's wait for get to 100. Please do your part if you want and if you like it. Okay, 520 people have seen it, more than 100 likes have already come. So 100 likes have come means you can put a comment also. So please see to it that you like something and you want to see the series continued. Please go and give that comment. It's still at 64 comments even after 3 days of uploading. So please see to it that you get the free series by doing something for which you have no loss. Okay, so that's about that. Now about the MCQs, the first one, spectrum test number 1, MCQ number 2. So here, who among the following rejected the knighthood and refused to accept position in the Council of Secretary of State for India? Okay, so there are many people who have rejected knighthood. So that also, if you know, in comment section you can put, so that others can learn. So here options are Motilal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, GK Gokhale, and Subramaniam Iyer. Okay, so most of these people have already rejected the knighthood, but this particular question asks about who refused to accept position in the Council of Secretary of State. Okay, so it's little tricky. So think about it. The answer for this is GK Gokhale. So here the explanation is there. So I have taken such questions where which minimum explanation is there, so that I can fit it in one screen and show to you. But almost every question have detailed explanation and extra links also given to you. Okay, even though it's a spectrum question or modern history question, if something else has to be learned, we'll be giving you extra link. Okay, so this one is the answer. Now second one, identify this personality. So this one is actually based on a previous year question also. This personality was asked. Okay, so one of this personality, I think almost everyone had asked, but this description, okay, who is it referring to? He's referred to as Thakkar Bappa by this tribal people, and as Bappa by Mahatma Gandhi. First one to call tribals as Adivasi, member of the Servants of Society, founded by Gokhale, and the secretary at Harijan Seva Sangh, founded by Gandhi. So these questions actually giving you a lot of information also. Okay, this body is founded by whom, this body is founded by whom, because these are all true statements. He founded the Bill Seva Mandal, then his initiative led to the founding of Bharatiya Adim Jati Sevak Sangh. Okay, so these things are all true facts and extra information for you. So who is this personality? A, B, C, or D? So answer is B here, and detailed Wikipedia page we have given, because once a personality is asked, UPSC has a habit of repeating something related to him again. So please see to it that you read about this person, because we expect question in the next 2-3 years to come, okay, about the same person. Which of the following are true? Okay, these are all about the roundtable conference. You know, 3 roundtable conference happened in 1930, 31, 32, and very, very important factual questions used to come in UPSC. Even I think last year one question came. So you have to know. Okay, so here Congress did not participate in the first and third roundtable conference. B.R. Ambedkar proposed separate electorates for the untouchables in the first roundtable conference. Gandhi clashed with Ambedkar in the second roundtable conference. Muslim League participated in all 3 roundtable conference. Okay, so there are very minimal kind of people who have participated in all 3 roundtable conference. So you should know. Okay, so here choice is 1 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3 only, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here everything is true. Okay, so you should go and find out now. Other than Muslim League, who all else participated in all 3? Then Gandhi is there only in the second one. Okay, and he had a clash with Ambedkar. Then Congress also was there only in the second one. Then B.R. Ambedkar proposed this in the first RTC. So this kind of things very factual. In my spectrum lecture, I have taken in detail. Okay, these are slides from my spectrum lecture only. That is why I tell people who come and watch a polity lecture for the first time and all, please don't ask like what all other playlist we have. Go and check what is it and what is available already. Okay, so here spectrum, if you do from my channel, I guarantee you that any question which comes in UPSC for modern history can be solved from that. Okay, every year it has repeated. Last 3 years, if you take anything which has been asked in modern history, it is there. Or it should be a very, very weird question which nobody can answer. Okay, nobody can teach you, or it's not there in any book, and it's like just a guesswork. So that we cannot do anything. But if it's a subject oriented logical question, it will be covered in my lecture. Okay, and if it's not there in my lecture, 100% it will be there in my test series. That is how it is designed. Okay, so here all the things are true. Please watch my spectrum to learn entire thing in totality. Now, which of the following are matched correctly? Okay, so 2 personalities. UPSC have this habit of linking people to what they started, or their book, or their painting, or anything like who is the quote poet of some king, something like that they'll relate. So here Bengal Chemical Factory, Satish Mukherjee, and Dawn Society, P.C. Ray. Okay, so is it A, B, or both, or neither? Here both are not correct, because we have interchanged it. Okay, this Bengal Factory is related to Prafulla Chandra Ray, and Dawn Society is related to Satish Chandra. So A and B we have just interchanged. Explanation you can just pause and read. Here Sister Nivedita is also an important personality, about which question was expected last year but it did not come. So this year maybe it will come. So please prepare for them also. Which of the following are true about Direct Action Day? It was also called the Great Bombay Killings. Muslim League initiated this for the formation of Pakistan. It triggered large-scale communal violence. Jinnah went ahead with unconstitutional methods for implementing this. 2, 3, 4 only, 1, 2, 4 only, 2, 3 only, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one is actually 2, 3, 4 only. It's a simple thing. It's not Bombay killings, it's Calcutta killings. So this again factual information we wanted to give you, and also one error in a spectrum lecture we wanted to correct it. That is why this MCQ is put. Okay, there is something called D-Day and there is something called Direct Action Day. Okay, so sorry, D-Day and Direct Action Day are same, but there is another called Deliverance Day. Okay, so these two are 2 different things. But in my spectrum, by mistake, I have interchangeably told both as D-Day. Okay, even though it can be a very minute thing, but we cannot tell what UPSC will be thinking and when it frames questions. So that is why I'm telling D-Day and Direct Action Day is the 1946 thing, and Deliverance Day is 1939 thing. Okay, so here explanations is given. Okay, one is marked by Muslim League on this day during the Indian independence movement. The day was intended to celebrate the resignation of all members of the rival Congress party from this thing. So that is one thing. But the D-Day or Direct Action Day is related to this question. Okay, that is in 1946, Great Calcutta killing, these many people killed. So it's a bloodshed and it's a very sad thing which happened. Okay, so these 2 differences you should know. And in my spectrum, when you watch next time, see to it that whatever mistake I did, please don't study it just like that. Okay, see to it that that is why I always tell you test series will aid to it. Okay, because the video whatever is uploaded is not editable now. So please see to it that you correct the things in test series. Okay, So I've given here chapter number, what lecture, what time and all. So here, this is what is the knowledge I wanted to give you through this question. Okay. So there is many are there where errors were corrected through the test series. So see to it that you come and buy this packages, whichever you want. Whatever I explained to you is part of this pack 2 and pack 3. Okay. If only spectrum, you will get in pack 3, or this pack 2 has spectrum included in it. Okay. So pack 3 is just a subset of pack 2, and all these packs are subset of pack 1. Okay. So see to it that you study, and these are the latest lectures. As I told, next Lakshmikant's chapter is citizenship, this thing, which I have already made half of the content, but I did not record it because I know that you people will comment like this only, like it will take 5 days, 6 days. Faster you comment, then faster the lectures will keep coming, and the entire Lakshmikant we can complete much before. Okay, so see to it that you do your part. I'll come up with the next video tomorrow for whatever day is tomorrow. So some other subject. Okay, 5 MCQs. So comment your score also, so that it will be helpful for you to track your score and whether your revision is going fine. So I'll come with the next video soon. Thank you and have a nice day.